Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them a broke down. All of we barriers, them a broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Hello, family. Thank you so much for joining me in another episode. I hope you're all doing well. In this episode, I would like to showcase a Jamaican grocery store here in Central Florida that brings you everything Jamaican that you need to prepare your meals. This place is Caribbean Trade and Grocery, and it's located on North Nebraska Avenue. Stay tuned, family, while I tell you why I like this store and why I totally recommend you checking out this store. Many of us can relate to the challenge of trying to find authentic Jamaican ingredients in a foreign country, wherever that is. Whether you're in Canada, you're in America, you're in Britain, you know it can be very challenging finding that specific ingredient that you want. I remember baking Christmas cake one year, and I had such a hard time trying to find browning. When I tried to explain what it is I was looking for, they were referring me to Gravy Master and all these different things that just could not do the job. Come with me, guys. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here we have our canned goods and our Lasco. And then we go on to this section, which has the breads and the buns. And for me, the star of the show is the bami right over here. We're going to check out the fish section in a little bit, guys, to see what they have for fish, because you know, the fish and the bami, they go hand in hand. What I like best about these is that they are imported from Jamaica, so they are 100% authentic. I just totally love that. It comes 2 in the pack for $2.49. So that's very reasonable. And here we have just about everything. We have our biscuits and our sweet treats. Here we have the mackerels, the corned beef, we have the akis, we have the kalaloo, all our canned goods here. Whatever you can think of, we have it. Beverage, everything beverage. We have Ribena, which I have not seen in ages. We also have the D&G sodas over here, alongside the Guinness and the Dragon. I'm going to be honest, some of these drink, I had totally forgotten about them. You know, like the Ribena and some of these old-time drink. I don't know what else to call them, guys, because they were from way back when. Anyway, Claude has even his ground produce. The yams, he has bananas, he has, as you can see, chocha, Irish, just about everything that you need to cook that soup or to make. You know, when you say you're cooking food, so you're not cooking rice or soup, but you're cooking food, meaning the yam and the bananas and the potatoes. So we have everything we need right here. For those of us who bake, we have our vanilla, our browning, so we don't have to use the Gravy Master. And there is, of course, we have molasses, rose water, you name it for your baking, it's right here. Look at this. Soursop. Yes, soursop, packaged and ready to make that soursop juice. I don't know about you guys, but I totally love soursop. For you soursop lovers listening to me, tell me how you like yours. Do you like it with milk or do you prefer it with lime and ginger?
Just the same one.
Yes. How long you been shopping at Claude?
Just under a year.
How you find it?
It's excellent. Love coming here. I get my cheese crunches, my banana chips, my sweet potato, bun, cheese,
Everything you need.
fish, everything.
All right. Okay. All right. What you want to say?
Where is Jamaica? Is it
Yeah.
showing?
You're Jamaican?
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
from Kingston,
Yeah.
St. Andrew. Yeah.
All right,
Or
talk
by
your
half
talk.
of you, yeah. I'm Mr. A, otherwise known as Andrew.
Hi, Andrew. Hi, Mr. A. How long you been shopping at Claude?
Like 2 years now, since I came from New York to here. I've been shopping here.
How you
they are
find
good
it?
people. I find it very nice, you know. Everything, you get everything easy. that
Everything you
want.
need is here.
Right.
Okay. For those of you who are in the Tampa area or surrounding, please come and check out Claude's store. It's called Caribbean Trade
Right.
and it's on Nebraska.
Mm-hmm.
What's the exact address, Claude?
11502. Not
11502
North Nebraska.
North Nebraska. And let me tell you, anything Jamaican that you want, it is here. From your produce, your grown produce, to your canned goods, to your fish, your drinks, your liquor. When I say liquor,
Beer
I mean
and wine.
your beer, wine, your stout,
Yes.
your sodas, everything Jamaican, anything that you need to prepare your meals. Claude has it.
Come
All
and
right,
get it.
guys.